Hello everyone, welcome to Python 3.8 tutorial. In this course, we will learn basics of Python 3.8. This video covers the introduction to Python, the print statement, basic operators with Python 3, gives an introduction to float, and some special numerical operators. So let's get started. Python is a high-level programming language. Python is very easy to learn because of its more English-like syntax. Python is being applied in various fields such as web programming, scripting, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence, and many more. There are three major versions of Python 1, 2, and 3. These are subdivided into minor versions such as 2.7, 3.6, etc. In this course, we will be learning the Python 3.8. So coming to the print statement. Print statement is used to output text to the console. This is an example of print statement. Print statement has to be followed by parenthesis that encloses the output we want to generate. Here, a hello coders is a string which is the output we want to generate. So this is the basic syntax. So coming to simple operations in Python. Python is capable of carrying out calculations, which means that in the Python terminal, if you type 5 plus 3 and hit enter, it gives the output as 8. So the Python compiler performs the role of the calculator here. Now coming to the basic operators, we have plus symbol for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk or star for multiplication, single forward slash for floating point division, and double forward slash for floor division or truncated division. And also note that dividing by 0 in Python produces an error. Coming to floats, floats are used in Python to represent the numbers that aren't integers, like 0.5 minus 1.3. So basically it is the numbers which has a decimal point in it. A float can be added to an integer and Python converts that integer to a float. So here the lower data type is being converted to the higher data types. So that's how implicit conversions work. Coming to special numerical operators, exponentiation is raising of a number to the power of another. Here you have an example. Here 2 is raised to 3. So we have a double asterisk sign which is used for exponentiation operator, and remainder operator or modulo operator is carried out with a percentage sign. So print 20 mod 6 gives the remainder of this calculation, which is 2. The same is applicable for floating point. 1.25 mod 0.5. 0.5 2 times is 1 and we have 0.25 as a remainder. We will see some examples now. I'm using Python 3.8 terminal. So let's start with the print statement. Print. Open the parenthesis and inside write a string. Strings in Python are written within double quotes or single quotes. So let me write hello world. When you hit enter, you can see the output in the next line. Python terminal is an interactive terminal where each line is compiled and the output is given when you hit enter. We will see one more example of print statement. And this time I want to write the print statement in multiple lines, the same print statement. So I can use a backslash to append multiple lines. So here I will complete the statement as hello world. And when you hit enter, you will get the text. So coming to the calculations, this is how the Python compiler behaves as a calculator. Now we will see the exponentiation operator 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. So the precedence is first 3 raised to 2. So the precedence of operator is from right to left. This exponentiation operator. So the precedence of exponentiation operator is from right to left. So 3 power 2 is calculated first, which is 9, and then 2 power 9 is 512. So you can simply write without the print statement here. this gives an error because the name here is not defined. If you write string, so you get that string here, but it's actually not logging it, but it's just compiling this line and giving that output. If I do 5 plus 0, where 0 is a string, so you can see this is a type error. Int and strings cannot be added. But if you add two strings like hello plus 55, sorry, you'll get hello 55. This is called string concatenation, where you add one string with the another. So 55 is appended to this hello. We will see more about strings in the coming classes. So that's all for this video, and keep practicing, and thanks for watching.